Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to find trending filter for Instagram Reel. Now for that, make sure you have the application and you are logged into your account. Now at the top, you can see plus icon, you can tap on that. Now at the bottom, you can see option provided post, story, reel and live. Now make sure you tap on the reel option. Now at the screen, you can see three options: audio, effects or layout. We need to tap on effects. And here you can find all the filters or effects. Now to look the trending one, there you can see the option trending. You can tap on that. And here you can see all the trending filters or effects. Now you can choose any of them. Apply it to your reel. And you can simply tap on next. And this is how easily you can find trending filter for Instagram Reel. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.